No. What are you talking about? Oh, shit. We got 2 minutes. Let me go ahead and tighten up for y'all. Get up in here. We already ready for sure. Red app, I see y'all, man. Y'all tune in on the red app, man. Make sure y'all put a one in there, put a one in the chat. Let me know y'all in there. Nah, y'all know where we at, man. Yeah. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. I got 1 minute. I ain't waiting on nobody, grandmammy. I promise you. Crap, dang. You remember Central Station? Beat that boy up by the shirt. Stop his ass about tonight. Brother called me last night. Be alright. Hey, what I tell? Let's get it right. Ain't overnight. If this W, that could be S. Because I made two now. I should bring my life to the game. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all slide up in here, man. Tap the screen, put a one in there for the engagement so I can know y'all in here, man. Get up in here quick. Saying I ain't waiting on nobody, grandmammy. Ain't saying about no beef, about no wars. I've been in it. Still got me blocked. Still got me with no access. No access. Um, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Mm. Yeah, I had some. I left it in. I left it in. I left it. I left it somewhere, and I'm mad. I left it somewhere, and I'm mad. But see, I ain't even got to hold the phone no more. That why I got the OBS system. You know what I'm saying? But they restricted me on the first day after I did it because I said. Yeah, I ain't knowing about the little screamer community. Look at this stupid shit. So, yeah, I gotta clean. I can feel that. And I'm going crazy. Gotta do all. Gotta We're turning. Mm. Ain't number five of y'all in here. Y'all tap the screen. I'm gonna slow up and I'm gonna wait till at least a little 10 piece and then I'm gonna rock out. Cause I hate to repeat myself. Not like that, but you feel me? And we got a little time, y'all. We got a little time. Well, I'm finna tell y'all it ain't gonna take too long. If y'all been with me. If y'all been with me, y'all know what's going on already. You feel me? Certain levels we needed to hold up overnight. We held them up. We did pretty good. So it's looking good. But I gotta show you something so you can't get faked out. We want to be a little patient today. We want to be a little patient today, as we is every day. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, there we go. That 10. All right, so look, man. Welcome to the trade house. Welcome to the trade house. Welcome to the trade house. Y'all know what's going on. You see what I'm saying? YB, I'm in here, man. I'm showing y'all what's going on today. You feel me? I'm gonna need everybody who in here go ahead and put a one in the chat, man. Put a good morning, man. Good morning, man. Obedient purpose. I've been seeing that name a lot. Somebody committed. Somebody committed. Isaac, what's Sam? What the hell going down? What going on, my people? What's Sam? Y'all don't make a black ass nigga smile now. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? All right, man. Let's get to it. Let's get to the bag. Let's get to the bag, y'all. We ain't even gonna play with y'all. I'll give y'all some info a little bit. What I see. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you what I see. Now, what we got here is we in an hour. You know what I'm saying? We in an hour time frame on the spot. You know what I'm saying? All right. We had our run, right? We had our run. Boom. We hit all time highs. We played a little bit. They got them tried to double dutch y'all. Hey, we know where we're going. All time highs. We pulled back. We most definitely went and got those single prints. See what I put to them single prints? You feel me? These single prints are still a key factor. I see it. I see it. It's forming the head and shoulder, head, and we can get us a shoulder right here. I'm getting to it. I'm most definitely getting to it. Can't trade no more. Ah, what? Weebull. Come to Weebull, my brother. Come to Weebull, Isaac. No cap. They trying to play with you now. So look, y'all. We got we are definitely forming a head and shoulders pattern, right? Keep that in the back of your mind. If you don't know what a head and shoulders pattern is, I want you to look it up. You feel what I'm saying? I want you to look it up, right? Look it up, Google, YouTube, do what you got to do. Shoulder here, this is a head. Hey, we're forming another shoulder here, meaning hit this where we at right here, we can come back down and come back down. You know what I'm saying? To this area right here. That's why I have this area. Some more a little gappy area that we can come and get. And it'll be all okay to come. Let me see. To come down here. Because you know why? It is nothing but a higher low. If I go back to the daily, we'll just be making another higher low coming back down here, and we'll still be bullish. You get what I'm saying? So let me back it up a little bit, right? Let me back it up a little bit. Let me show you what we got going on in the spur of things. This is what we fighting. This is what we fighting right here. As you see these gray dotted lines I got up in here, if y'all can see them, I got some gray dotted lines at the top of this consolidation and at the top of this consolidation. You feel me? We can get over this and break and retest over this. We're looking more bullish to come back up to the all-time highs. We're getting the top leg of the single print. You feel what I'm saying? We're gonna be knocking off the top leg of the single print. Or we're gonna hit that and come back down in this single print. The bottom leg of the single print. We got two sets. You get what I'm saying? What I'm trying to get at. We got two sets. Let me show you. This is like the middle. We got one set down here. We got another set up here. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like a bar, like a rectangle here, a rectangle here. These are areas. We could hit this from this bottom, right? This was yesterday's, I think like, I want to say Mondays, Sundays, overnight, high, low. We was targeting that. You know what I'm saying? My boy Vine was targeting that. You feel me? It was a great level. You understand what I'm saying? It held up and it's still holding up. So this is giving us sort of support and resistance right here, a support and resistance right here. You get what I'm saying? So if we looking at this, hey, we came down here, bounced off of this. If we come up here and bounce up, we can come back down here and start all over. If we don't hold this, we're breaking back down here. You get what I'm saying? Is our if, and if we do this, do this. If we do that, do that. You get what I'm saying? If we shall hold over this, we're going to knock out this second half of single. Well, it's the first half of single prints. This will be the second. we're going to go get the second half of this. And the probability is a little bit higher to go. Let me give y'all a blue. Let me give y'all a blue arrow. Let me give you a blue arrow. Can I click the arrow? Thank you. Thank you. So, hey, we're going to get an arrow with. Bam. That's why this green line is right here. You feel what I'm saying? See how it's respecting it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it, this whole grip is respecting the line, and then it is respected again. If we can break over this 664.70 and retest it, we should be coming in here targeting overnight high. I mean, all-time high. You feel what I'm saying? That's what we targeting. As of right now, this is overnight high. You feel me? If we fail, we come back down. We going back down where it got sturdy at. We got this green line, 662, and back where the rest of this consolidation is at, value area. If we don't hold that, we breaking back down to where I said we was gonna get. That's why I got these purple areas right here. We're gonna go test them out. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna go test. We testing. If this happened, then that. That's why I say you want to be patient. You want to know how to read these candlesticks. We got our levels. We looking for certain. Okay, you broke that. I see the shoulder. You keep breaking that, you're going downhill. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, if we hold it, we can look for a reversal and copy exactly what just went here. As soon as it hit this bottom, where did it go? It came back up here. So if we go to 62, we watch to see what's going on. Is we gonna hold it or go back up? If we going back up, we're repeating this right here. You get in the call, hey, we taking it $2 more up. That's a $2 move. If we shall to keep going, we targeting an overnight high. I mean, all-time high. Take that $2 move into a $5, $6 move. You get what I'm saying? So we got some work to do. We in the middle. Just say that we in the middle. We in the middle. We in the middle. But right now, look what it's doing. It's respecting this level. Hey, SPY could do what it want to do. We're not saying it can't. This not pairs, Miss White. This is SPY. This is SP 500. This is the top 500 companies in the market. The best movers. You get what I'm saying? Is the best mover, so it give you a direction on what the rest of the small stocks by itself gonna do, right? So that's pretty much SPY. That's pretty much my take on SPY. You feel me? And we're gonna go to the video since that's the main pusher of SPY right now, um, to back that up. So again, you want to go ahead and get your levels on, get your level on up through there. We got all-time highs. You feel what I'm saying? We got all-time highs. Now again, we got a set of these single prints. We'll see. It's another word. Look at that. The structure. This is thin structure. There you go. This is thin structure. You get what I'm saying? These that's thin structure. Yes, it's a shoulder forming. Head, a shoulder is forming right here to come on back down. If we come on back down, we will not be bad because we'll still be bullish and the whole trend will just be making a hourly higher low. Let me show you. It'll look different on the time frame. Look. Now I want you to answer this question. My screen going from the bottom left to the top right. That is bullish. You get what I'm saying? That's bullish. We're going up. You understand what I'm saying? Now, just because we do one of these numbers, pull back down, right? It didn't become, that's an hourly pullback. That's all I'm saying. We about to do an hourly pullback just to continue to go back up higher. Look, beat that all-time high. We came up here, hourly pullback, ran back up in the same candle and broke all-time highs. You get what I'm saying? Hey, we pull back here. Look, this making an equal higher low. That's all I'm saying. Equal high low. This where we at, right? This where we at. Man, let me get this. Let me get this. There we go. This where we at right here. You get what I'm saying? So if we was to hit this green like we doing and pull back to here or here, we'll be making another equal higher low. That'd be from here, here. That's actually perfect. You know what I'm saying? That's actually almost asymmetrical. This is. I mean, why wouldn't you? And we already building the head, shoulder, shoulder. So I'm looking at if you don't break past this and continue uptrend, and you come back down here, that would be perfectly good for the market. And I'm saying come back down here to 660. You get what I'm saying? You can come down to, but a 660 will be almost perfect. You get what I'm saying? Here, here. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking it up. That's my take on spot. You have to come back and look at hourly, 4 hour, daily. You feel what I'm saying? So, and again, we got what, almost 16 minutes, 17 minutes, something like that. Look where we at. Look where we at. And we continue to respect this green line and we pulling down. Right? Come on. Go back up there, bust that, pull down, break down. This is cool. And you break this level, you break this green level, you coming down, you might be coming down here, down yonder. Hey, this is nice. I like this. I like this pullback. I like this pullback right here to level up. Look, to level up with this right here. Even at 660, this 662. Look, this 660, ain't nothing wrong with that 660. Good morning, my brother. Good morning, hustle. You know what's going on. I'm being so today, if I had to, if I had to tell y'all what I'm gonna be, I don't know. And that's the most realest question. That's the most realest answer I can give y'all. Are you a bull today or are you a bear? Guess what? I still don't know. Why? Because the market ain't told me. The market is showing me, you know what I'm saying, what it's about to do. But guess what? When that bell open, when it's time to play ball, when that whistle blow, it's a whole different ball game. You know what I'm saying? Especially that beginning, that opening, that, you know what I'm saying? We look at uh football game, the Ravens and what who they just lost to? The Ravens in Detroit. Everybody, hey, the Ravens gonna win. You don't know what's going on to the bell open. You got stats that tell you what. We got stats and data to tell us what's going on, but we gonna see it because they can not do this head and shoulders and not come fill this up, right? And break past here and go back up to all-time high. They could do it. They could do it. The market can do whatever it want to do. That's rule number one. Once you got that in your head, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? It can do whatever it want to do. The more patient you are, not saying be patient, just let it go by. You don't got to pull the trigger, but the more patient you wait for that setup to be a little bit more cleaner, a little bit more confirming to, oh, yep, we're going down. 3 candlesticks or more is a confirm of direction. 3 candlesticks, y'all. It wasn't no big news today. Today wasn't no news today on the it wasn't number Fed speaking all week. I think today was the clearest day we had. Thinking some Fed speak tomorrow, Thursday, but I don't think we had no we ain't had nothing come out today. I think today was clean. Damn, I kind of forgot. So it couldn't have been nothing big. It wasn't nothing in the headlines. Um, it's just it's market now. It's about money. But think about this too. That's why I want y'all. You got to kind of be in the middle because big money understand this market very well. You don't think big money was waiting on this dip? This little dip that just happened, that is a great dip to buy back in. Hedge funds buy back in. We just rallied up. Think about the people who missed that rally. You know what I'm saying? Who missed that rally up because it was a kind of tricky rally, or just missed the top part. Hit all-time highs and we pulled all the way back, all the way down here. This is a great spot to get in for leap trades, for long contracts, 2 week contracts. If you 662, you got your 2 week contract for in here, right? For 662, boom. And look where we at right now, 664. The next day. You feel me? Go back and reach all-time highs and break past all-time highs and make a new all-time high. You in the bag. What happened? Look, just look at past data. What happened right here? What happened right here? The thing came 652. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Net day, same net day overnight. Look at that. $10. Pull back. Hey, we buying in. Get what it do. Pass all-time highs. Get up through there. Hey, here go another pullback. Same day. Run up. Come on, next day. You feel me? Look at where the money at. You feel what I'm saying? You gotta look at where the money at. Look how to get in the money. Pull back. And one day we did that. Okay. Buyer stepped in. We ain't go crazy. Back down in. Buyer stepped in. Look, buyer stepped in. Hey, we taking it back up to the upside. Let's get that money. Open up. Hey, let's break up. New all-time highs. I ain't saying it gotta happen in one day, but you get what I'm saying? Now, another thing is if I got in at 662 and I pull back to six, I got in at 662.03. Ran up here, knocked this top 664.72. We pulled back to 662.93. Am I not still up? This 93 cents. Am I not still up? If you times $93 times 100, that's 100,000. I'm still up. You get what I'm saying? Think about the big money. It ain't 100,000. That's 90 times 100. What that is? 100 hundreds. You see what I'm saying? I'm still up. My money's still in the green. And if I'm pulling back just to pull back here, I'm knocking all the small people out. 93, you see what I'm saying? I'm knocking all the small people out the box. The people who got a little money could get with that little money. You're finna make you a little thousand, tow your little chunky ass up, bad you up. You feel what I'm saying? You out to play. Believe you out to play. But get what? Now those calls turned to buyers. I mean, those buyers turned to sellers. You feel what I'm saying? Got out the way. Big money takes small money and turns you in. Now I got your money and take you straight off. Now you had to reverse your play. Soon as you reverse it, call, take back off. Now I just stole some more money. I stole from you up here and I stole from you right here and we took back off and broke through. Come on, I'm telling you, these folk be sneaky. These folk be sneaky, gang. So you want to be precise. You want to be patient. You want to kind of understand what's going on and understand your location. I bet my left pinky will come back up here, open up, hit this top, come up past the top just a little bit, fail breakout, come on down. We're going to come on down, break that, and come on down. You feel me? I'm going to take my profit right here, this 662, if I get in the put. And we probably still going to keep going down right here. You get what I'm saying? Then turn around with all this. Look at that. I need to go ahead and mark that. I see it. That gonna be the real one. Watch this. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna make that yellow. I'm gonna make it yellow. And I'm gonna go dash. You feel me? And we're gonna look at that. We're gonna look at that at 4 o'clock and be like, boy, didn't I tell you? Then we just do that. That's why I be putting them little, you know what I'm saying? Then I just tell you we're gonna get them single prints. Well, we did. We got them single prints. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying I'm a magician. If this happened, then that. So a nigga kind of be, I give you two scenarios because we don't know. This shoulder, head, shoulder. We already shown you that we're respecting this green line. Just say that opening print, it break up, boom, but it hit this line, just go a little, fake you out. Now you in the call. You're like, boy, this shit going green. Now you in the call. Take you downtown. Lost your money. Now you out. Now you gonna get into a put. You feel what I'm saying? By the time we get right here, you in the put. You still in the put. Get what? Take your ass back up there. I took your money again. Market think they smart. Come on, man. We on all that. We on all that, gang. We on all that. We see the trickery. I'm telling you, boy. Cracker think they smart. Cracker ain't smart, dude. You see what I'm saying? They ain't got enough melanin in. I'm telling you guys. I'm just telling you how I feel. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just saying. You gotta be able to think. 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 Gang. You gotta be able to think. Like, hold on. So what would I do if I'm trying to finesse? Think about if you're trying to finesse. Got you. I got more money. So our levels is this. Make sure you got your all-time high up there, right? We got 7 minutes, right? Yeah, this still spy. I'm finna switch to the video real quick, right? Make sure you got your right. Make sure you got your all-time highs where it's at, right? Make sure you got your all-time highs. This is why I want you to chart it at. Go 4 hours so you can not see the noise. You don't want to see the noise real quick. I got a lot of noise on my street. Let me see. Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. There you go. All right, so look, for a quick one right here. You got your all-time highs. That top, right? Now you want to come right here at this bottom. See, if you on a 4 hour, I'm on a 4 hour now. You feel me? Look at where these wicks at. Where that, you know what I'm saying? Get you one up in there. That's that 662. That's that down low. That down low. You know what I'm saying? That down low. Now if we look up here, what is that? Did I get it? I think I got that on the 1 hour. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour real quick. Go to the 1 hour real quick. There you go. There we go. This is why I got it at right here on the 1 hour. Look what I'm showing you. Look what I'm showing you. Shoulder, a little confusion right here. Line that up. What we doing? Line that shit up. Line that shit up. You feel what I'm saying? That's the top half of all-time highs. And this. This is another one right here from your yellow line to that line we just made. We got a block. Now we're looking at a block. Look at it, block. We go back to school with it. Hey, you break past this block, most probably to go up to this block. You get what I'm saying? Hey, you hit that block, come back down, you're going back down here to this block. Let's make it simple. You feel me? If you break past this block, you're coming down here. Now I got this purple because this is an area. This is an area. Fair value gap. It's a fair value gap right here. You get what I'm saying? So we're gonna bring that all the way out and look how I respect this one. Look how I respecting. Respect me, you check me. You feel what I'm saying? So somebody got a question. I can't even see. I'm going 20 miles per hour. I'm sorry, y'all. You know what I'm saying? More time in it, more time listening, you'll start getting it. You'll start getting it. You know what I'm saying? Get my Discord. You might not need no class. Nigga ain't trying to put no, you know what I'm saying, get no money up at y'all, but just keep listening. I'll start breaking down. I'll be able to break it down a little bit more, break it down a little bit more. But when I put time to the side for you, I can start from the beginning to the, you know what I'm saying, from the bottom to the top. Look what this showing us, y'all. See what this showing us? From this block right here, we at the top half of this consolidation. You get what I'm saying? I only charge $250 for my one-on-one game. I'm gonna give you the $1 million playbook. You gonna be able, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do this right here real quick, right? Cause I ain't trying to sell nothing, gang. I ain't trying to sell nothing, you know what I'm saying? Look, we more probable to go ahead and look, trick you out, go up here, boom, hit this. You know what I'm saying? Look, lift it past this and hit up to this white line, like I was saying, right? Failed. We coming back downtown. Look, it's showing you. Look at that line. That line means something. Look, go hit that. Come on down. Bop. Now, if you hold this, that's smooth. Now we take it back up to the top. You get what I'm saying? That's smooth. I don't expect you to hold this for some reason, but it ain't about what I expect. You feel me? Because guess what? I'm gonna just keep it a buck. This is a sneaky move. Come up here. What we got? 3 minutes left. Boom. Break you up here. Come up here a little bit more. Yeah, they going up. But you ain't break and retest this. So you ain't going up. Fail breakout. 64. You think you're doing something. Take your ass back down here. Take you down here. We ain't finished. Take you down here. Cause look at that. Body. Body. You know what I'm saying? Tried to go up, 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 up. Failed. You know what I'm saying? This is strong. Keep going. This where you stop at. We ain't going past that. Ain't nothing fair value got. Ain't nothing. Nah. Bando. Hold. Now from here, that's money. That's the better trade. Profit. Leave runners. All-time high. That's the better trade. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Gus. I'm keeping it a beam. You feel me? I'm keeping it a beam. So, nah, hell yeah, I'm giving the game out now. We're going to do that. Because when I teach you in the class, when I put that time in you, oh my God, how did you move that? It got to be right here. Yep. I'm fine. It ain't about learning how to do this. It's the feelings you go through, the emotions. Boy, whew. You know what I'm saying? It's 9:29. But I'm getting butterflies already. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's anxious. I know how to hone that in. Let me call it out. Chill. We do this shit every day. Don't be so anxious to give your money away. You know what I'm saying? Wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Chill. You got two things to do. You got three things you could do. You can go up, right? Up, that's up. You can go down, or you could take your ass sideways. And guess what? We don't trade sideways. So we being so we being patient. We being patient. That's the name of the game. The market is quote patient people taking money from impatient people unquote. What the hell going, Vaughn? Yeah, my way. What's going? We in market open. You know what we doing? 5 minute time frames. Let's go. We ain't gonna play with y'all. If 55 of y'all jammed up, we only have 5,000 likes. That's crazy work. Let's get up to 10. Let's get up to 10 and let's get this manaola. All right. So for right now, uh, I'm gonna go this color because I got a little green right there already. Boom. Let's go thin for the win. Thin. Thin for the win. Ah. Now I gotta stay there. I'm on my way. Let's hit the bottom of it. Hold on, y'all. I can't even look at the camera. I see the lines going. Um, okay, y'all bucked up. Y'all bucked up. I ain't mad at the buck up. Alright. There's that drop on ES. Uh-oh. If that ES drop, then you already know. I don't like the way it look. I want more chart in here. Well, you know what? I ain't gotta have that much chart in here. I just need to see that low. I want to see that low. Boom. What you doing? Shot one with the sauced up with the flavor. All right, so we in. Anybody rolled up? Y'all roll up. Pretty please. Wars always be starting over women. A lot of them big wars, Troy and them should be over women. A lot of times. A lot of the times, gang. I ain't even gonna lie. Mm-mm-mm. McGriddles. Um, look at the Swami on. Let me see. Make sure I'm in the right account. Look at that push down on that. I just started because you give a young nigga some help. Come on, double. You know I got you. Stop trying. Let's get into the right account. Look at that drop. Nasty. How many minutes left? 1 minute. Mm. Look at that first candle drop. Come on, can we get ready to trade? Fast, my brother. Be fast. Push past the resistance too. Yes, ma'am. Look at it. It is going. Going. Um, can we get clip ready? Mm. Jesus. I mean, 38 seconds left. Sorry, y'all. 36. So look at this. Big ass put candle. Ooh, whoa. So you know it's too early to get in. Yeah, I just got to get my broker right. Get my broker ready. So it gave us a little tip. It's showing us the pressure. It's showing us the pressure of that opening candle. You feel me? Look where we at. Inside of the lines that we already had. Whoop de doo. Whoop de doo. You inside the lines we already had. Whoop de damn do. We already knew that. Her, do I teach? Of course I teach. I'm teaching right now. And I most definitely teach a one-on-one class. Discord, we all teach. DM me. Um, you know, get the info. We get you together. Next candle, pushing the momentum, pushing the narrative. Now we need to know, is it gonna hold? We need to push. We needed to, hey, break and retest. You know where we going? We ain't worrying about nothing inside of this. This is a no trade zone for us. Even though it's big, it's bigger today. It don't always be this big. It's bigger today. Still a no trade zone. You got to break out up top or break down to the bottom. Close out, retest that. Let me know you're not going back up. You continue to go down, which we know we're going to this 662. So come on, man. Um, you will have to, you know what I'm saying? Just let the play go, and you'll be able to pick out the most three important things I give out on live. I don't know right at this moment. I'm trying to trade. No cap, but I got you. I'm gonna think about that question though. That's a good question. What are the three most important pieces of information that you can give or that you can tell us on live? Be patient. That's number one, number two, and number three. Be patient. You got to set up. I got a setup that I follow, and I teach it to y'all. Right? If it don't hit my setup, I don't take the trade. I don't care about none of that. That's called chasing tail, and we don't chase tail. I'm a player. I'm a real one. I'm not chasing nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not chasing no running train or no car that's running. How you gonna do that? Hey, I order a taxi or Uber. Guess what that's gonna do? Pull up. The thing gonna pull up to me. You get what I'm saying? And when it pull up to you, it make the ride all comfortable. You gotta go chase something. You by the time you get on there, boy, you go, what the hell? Look at me. I done waited. Shouter came back and got me. Player. Made mine player. You got your heart beating racing. Nah, we ain't gonna do that. Look at that. That's a break. That's a break pass, right? I'm waiting for the retest. That don't excite me. That don't excite me. I like that pull. Yup, boom. I like that. It's showing that it ain't going back up. It's 2 minutes left in this candle. You know we're going 662. Show me that you ain't going back past this green candle right here. Show me you ain't going. Show me you ain't going back up though. Show me you ain't going back up though. You ain't going back up though. I don't see that much. Shit. I'ma wait. I know how you gonna got them turn green the next candle. It's a minute, 2 minutes left in that. That's a lot. You can go all the way down and pop. I need you to turn green, tap that, right? Show me you ain't going back up. I need to see some wick. And then go on back down. What was the tip some of you found last night? Oh, poet. Poet. It's poet. Exactly how it sounds. Poet. I'm most definitely check on that. I'd like to grab some long calls and some shares. Look at that 1 minute. That bit doing a butt naked. I knew it. Look at that. I want to get in so bad. Guess what? If I'm so anxious, guess what I still use? Our paper trade. I'm gonna win with none of that cool. Exactly. Perfect. Nigga, what's happening? If I'm too anxious, I paper trade and see how that do too. You know what I'm saying? All that is knowledge. Cause guess what? I wanted to go out my off my setup. I wasn't patient enough, so let me paper trade it versus taking a risk of my real money, right? And see what it do. If it do good, good. That's not always gonna work out and happen like that. See if you got in right there, chasing tail, look at that back up. Now you're sick. Now you're looking dumb. Like, oh, what the hell? Now you're looking sick. Me, I'm being patient. 10 seconds left. Oh, zero. That was a good push up and show us that we wasn't going back up. Now that was a sign. Open up new candle. Boom. Right there. And keep on going down. Green, what you gonna do? You gonna tap this or you gonna keep on going with that pressure? Look like you're gonna keep dropping down with that pressure. Uh-oh. Drop down with the pressure. Dropping down with the pressure. Just came up to that line. And you drop down with the pressure. Green. Wait. Wait, okay. Wake up. Okay. Wake up. Wake down. Wake down. Chopper man in the board, nigga. Patient. Be patient. Be patient. There you go. This the entry right here. We're trying to get in. You gonna push down? Push down for me. I get in. What you gonna do? You don't want to go back up no more? Tell me some. Tell me some. You don't want to go back up no more. I'm finna get in. You don't want to go back up no more. I'm finna get in. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. All right. 5 minute time frame. We got our entry in. Can we make a target? Or you gonna buck on me? 3 minutes. Can we get down in there? Can we get down in there? I'm looking for a short position. Down and right there. All right. Good now. Let's see what you do. A little early? Yeah, it's a little early. I need another candlestick confirmation that you're gonna go all the way down. At the end, man, they ain't gonna brag. It all depends on how much momentum it is gonna have on the sell off. Cause it kind of already been selling off a lot from up here. You know what I'm saying? It probably got them play right here. Or it could break up through. You know what I'm saying? It might play right here. like you like to do, then go ahead and drop. It's almost like QQQ. This spy. I was dealing weight. Before I sleep, I 1, 2, 3. Broke pass. Dealing with my pad. What? What's someone right now? Oh nah, yeah, it ain't all that. Cause you got the outer ranch over there. That was a quick ass 15%, you little fucker. Um, um, uh-huh, uh-huh. You know you know why. Yeah, good retest. You just gotta be patient on that retest. That's all. How many more seconds left? Oh, 25 seconds, 22 seconds left. Good time. Good time. I switched the dope out like a bat being. The way I whip it. Come on, new count. I need you to get busy. Ah, get busy. I'm selling auntie, uncles. Okay. Uh-huh. Still need another candle. You most definitely was right. Still need another candle of confirmation. I just- I still serve out the cabinet. But yeah, I've been in, y'all. Y'all know that. Y'all know I've been in. I don't lie. I got the play on the side. Serving a bag and a pie. And I tell you no lie. Call the case in '05. We were really trapping hard. Go around and put your card, shoot out in broad day. And I put phone card, nigga. 15 minute. Listen, can y'all there we go. Right. I changed it to the 15-minute time frame. I'm just doing what it do, man. 5 minute time frame. There we go. My entry 663. I think I got in right. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. I don't like how it slowed down momentum. Some bull jive. Malark. Nark. Smalarky. It's like this. Follow my setup. I'm confident in my setup, so I let my setup play out. This is it. If it break my last candle, see, so it say stop, stop. Break this out. Really, for me, break your green line. Show me that you're going here. It's reversal. It's going back up. Hey, we want profit down here at 662. Can we hold it out from down here? Y'all gonna got down, man. Do all that, or y'all just gonna drop? Get us up out of there. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, we in it. We in it now. Nah, I trade everything, whatever I want to be focused on, but my main thing is SPY because it's the overall market. This dropping, guess what I know Nvidia's doing? Uh, Nvidia might have been a better play. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look, first candle, right? Now it's dropping. You know what I'm saying? Now it's dropping, getting ready for they put, but they got to go all the way down. You know what I'm saying? I need to get gold in. On another have it off. We chalk them. Whatever we chart, we could chart everything. We could do it simultaneously as well. You get what I'm saying? Ooh, good drop. Nice. Nice. We could trade it all together. I could look at NVIDIA, chart that up. When it get right there, take that trade as well with this trade. It's all about buying power, setting up so we can see everything at the same time and all that. I'm a charting fool now. We could chart it all. Listen up, little chump, nigga. Gave you a pack last week. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir, Vaughn. Come on now. Get money with me. You feel me? We know the whole bias for it. Look at that. Look at that there. Oh my lord. Hey, don't you reverse. Don't you reverse. Give me that. Give me that goddamn. Give me some more. Give me some more push down. I know I took profit. That's why I got so quiet. Took me a profit, left some runners. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Fuck you, nigga. Pay me. Keep those happy baby. Do I leave these runners? That's what they're for. They're car runners. Crazy ass man. Oh. I know that right. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm taking that. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. You give a fuck about none of that. I give a fuck about that. I give a fuck about that. I give a fuck about that. Hey, Timmy. Come on. So sad. We did that, man. Did that. Ah, I love the market. The market loves me. I love the market and the market love me. Hey man, you can do whatever you want to do, man. We like did that. We did that. Why this boy get him a good Uno game? Man? Just set. Ah, yeah, man. I'm finna play me some Call of Duty. I'm gonna play me some Call of Duty. We got some shit. I do got some shit to do that. Oh, y'all disconnect me because I got in that one. Well, I don't want it. Don't do me like that then. I'm like, he's cheating already. All right, so we did that, man. We did that, man. In and out, man. We ain't tripping. How'd I know when to jump out? Listen, let me give y'all example. Let me give y'all example. That was don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody now. Like, don't tell nobody now. So you know I keep a mouth full. Good pussy give you weed, Red Bull. I'm gonna get put it. It's 9:53. I'm out. Made my money and I'm out. 9:53. Niggas will spend all day working hard, swing, stinking, trying to get them back $200, $300. But come on, man. I ain't even gonna tell nigga what I just did and got little 2 5-minute candles. Oh, that was 15 contract. Jimmy, come on, man. Little 15 contract. I wanted to get 20, but I was like, hold on. And the goddamn, just be smart. Then I was supposed to buy in, double down on the good trade. Like, boom. When we got stuck right here, when I bought in them first little 15, guess what? I was getting scared as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Vaughn, my boy Vaughn, he was like, boy, it might have been too early, G. I was like, dang, fuck. Can't lead y'all into the goddamn. I'm like, you is right though. 'Cause I'm always admit when I'm wrong. You is right because you're supposed to wait for another confirmation candle. But what I did was I'm looking. This is a failure to the upside, like I was already saying. I'm knowing this was gonna happen, but you still gotta wait for confirmation. So you talking about this a nice size? This is a nice size, right? Boom, we dropped. You know what I'm saying? Dropped all the way down, to be honest. It showed you that pressure. The buyer shot was like, hold on now, nigga, what you doing? But guess what? We ate, this is still engulfing. We ate all this up with this one candle. Well, we going to see bigger things. And then we drop down here. But stop. That was a big close. Boom. It was perfect enough to have some room to go right here. But the fakers, if we don't come back up here, we ain't reverse. Well, we only came right here. Get what? Start. I said, oh yeah, right here when this little play right here, I'm supposed to double down and grab some more. Double down and grab some more confidence on what's finna go on. And look, I would have caught that right there. You know what I'm saying? Got out. You get out. Don't risk. Now look at this. Now look, then I'm gonna show you how I knew to get out. It ain't about knowing how to get out. It's almost like a feeling. I was watching, I was watching I was watching somebody talk about stocks. They were showing us his techniques and just like risk reward uh ratio just itself. Why I got in right here, right? I got in right here. Why risk this? Right? Really, look at this. You get all this right here, right? You're gonna risk all this for this little bit, just for you to touch it all the way perfect. It don't work like that. You don't gotta wait for a perfectness. You will see, look what happened. Now look at this. Ran back up here. You would have got mad, scared, and got out and took a loss versus waiting for this to come back down here. Look, this only a little bit. You got all this, the big half of the money. Don't risk it for that little extra just to pop it. You get what I'm saying? Or if that's the case, take most of your profit. Sell 12 contracts, 13 contracts, leave 2. Right mind, nigga, take the money. Take the money. Lock in some of that. What's name? I'm fighting it right now. You feel what I'm saying? But it's still bearish, Vaughn. You know how to sit in the trade. You know what I'm saying? You know how to sit in the trade. Honestly, you know how to, you know what I'm saying? Time is always your friend, and you know where we're going. You know we're going. We'll go there and a little past there. So you most definitely still gonna make the money. It haven't ate this candle up, and it ain't, you know what I'm saying? So you good. It's 2 minutes left in there. It's fighting just to eat this candle up. It's not no real move. We're still gonna be a little bit more bearish right now. So we're gonna watch how it play out. Where y'all go? Grab some McGriddles. Yeah, y'all niggas need to be making pancakes. But you're a McGriddle nigga. You gonna learn. Guess what the rich do? The rich take themselves out of being consumers. Every time you go to the store and buy something from them folk, you're a consumer. They making money. I play McDonald's in the stock. I'm making money. Please go over there and go get your McGriddle this morning. Act like you can't cook for yourself and go get a McGriddle. I win. I win. When you decide to not be lazy, you win. Because that's what you save money in your pocket. You whipped it up. That's why you went shopping for groceries for. But go get the McGriddle because you're hungry. That's what you're going to do. But now you know, next time, like, all right, hold on. I'm gonna whip this shit up. You'll make a better McGriddle than a motherfucking McDonald's. Then you got a lame man nigga behind there, goddamn. I'm like, man, you ain't even wash your hand. I could tell. You look nasty. What? I probably am. I ain't bad. I ain't lying. I appreciate you for that, my brother. Nah, for shit, sure. For shit, sure. hmm This chart is SPY. Griddle and coffee. Yeah, I made my own coffee and I ate me a little fruit and I didn't eat nothing. So that's why the niggas finna go get my griddle. I ain't mad at them. I'm just trying to show them and my nephew and my little cousin. I'm just trying to show him how not to be consumers, how to, you know what I'm saying? How much did each contract make? Oh my God, I had to go look at it. And it's all about your premium. We can do the math right now. I apologize. Let me think. Let me think. My screen. Wait, where I'm at? Can I get an arrow out this motherfucker? Am I tripping? Oh, okay. I'm about to say. There we go. There we go. This how we found out right now. I got in at approximately right here. I ain't gonna lie, cause it pulled back up and it scared me. So that's 663. So let's just count the cents, y'all. Let's count the cents down to the dollars. That's 71 cents. 71. Somebody do the math for me. 71 down to I got out right here and push back. Excuse me. My bad, y'all. Hands got slippery. Apologize. And I got out almost at that tip. I seen a little pullback to 662.47. So 62.47 to 60. I'll get mad. Hey, shut up, Slick. Damn it, man. Let's go. Nah, it ain't 34 cents. Hell nah. It's gonna take you to get to three. That's three. That's 33 cents to get you to an even three. 33 and 72. 33 plus 72. So that's $1.05. So on that play, and do the math times 15. 105 times 15. You know you gotta pay your taxes. 105 times 15. Somebody do that math. Anybody? Nobody? Okay. Look at that put. You back putting. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. I'm in some more trades. I'm in some wholesale trades that's down right now, of course, because you can see everything is going down. So my PL is like nine something. They taking me down off my little bit of money because of this damn down drip. But we're gonna after this we're gonna pull back up and go back up. So by the end of the day, if we could bounce off that 662 and rally back up, the rest of my shit's gonna go back up and I'll be seeing my little 1600, 1500. So taxes, listen, I haven't did taxes yet, y'all. I haven't did taxes yet. I can't even lie. That's a question I can't answer yet. You feel me? So I know taxes coming, right? So everything is documented, through your app, and you got all your tax information. You just plug it in, plug it in. You get what I'm saying? So I gotta see the roundabout number that I made all, and that's what I'm gonna have to pay back in taxes. So how do you prevent from fucking up with your taxes? Don't spend all your money, lame ass nigga. Don't spend all your money. You feel what I'm saying? And another thing that's helping me out is locking in profit, putting it to the side. Off of LK sale, I made 1,500 off that trade. I'm already knowing, right? So guess what? 500? No, let me stop. Let me stop lying. I gotta do percentages. I gotta do percentages. Let me stop lying. You take 20% from that trade, which is 150. You lock that in. Now I need to put that in SPY, which I'm not gonna get a full share of. It's only gonna be a piece of that. 600, 650. I get a piece of that because I won my money with SPY. Lock it in to be getting the whole share. That's an accolade. Boom. That's like a trophy. I need to. So I did that. I won that money. I need to be rewarded. I need a trophy for that. You know what I'm saying? Mental trophy. Get you a piece of that share. Now when we go back up like we're just doing right now, you feel me? I'm winning. And all in all. You hear me? Now, with another thing I'm doing, with another 30% of the winnings, right? Let's just say another 20%, another 150. I put it into Bitcoin and forget about it. Put it in Bitcoin, forget about it. Never even think about it no more. Vaughn, you're only bullish if you break this open in print. Now, I put it in Bitcoin and I forget about it because these days, as time go by, as seconds go by, as minutes go by, you're not gonna be able to buy it for the same price. So now I'm valuable. I'm making myself valuable quietly. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Cause I ain't worrying about me. I never did. You get what I'm saying? Guess what I'm worrying about? My son. What if everything mess up or some mess up on a big trade? Thought it was something happened. That Bitcoin's still there. I'm still putting that money over there in that Bitcoin that I ain't gonna never touch. Guess who's gonna be able to get that when he's 25 and understand what's going on? My son. Money is, they're not even accepting money at Zaxby's no more. They ain't even expect I have no clue. Um I bought them contracts. Damn girl. You gonna I see Tammy, you gonna need you a class. You just gotta look. I got right outside the money. Them contracts was, matter of fact, I could just go to my history. Let me see. I can answer the question. I ain't even bothered. Let me act like I ain't getting bothered. All right, they ain't you asking the right questions. You supposed to. I got to come out that niggerish ways. I'm trying. I'm trying. I go live 9 o'clock in the morning every day. Look at that. I told you, my brother. Stay down, Vaughn. I know you know how to do it. I know you know how to do it. Let me see. I bought the contract. The contract was shit. Oh, yeah. $55. $55. Yeah, $55. Yep, yeah, $55. I've been trading since the December game. Good morning, Rose. You just missed the money. It's doing it again though. It's dropping like a hat. So that was a little pullback. Y'all see that? Mm. Engulfing. I eat you up. I eat you up. I eat you up too. We are bearish until we hit this target. So again, y'all, come on, gang. Come on, gang. Now you cooking. Start counting that money up, Cab Money. Hey, Cab Money Junior. Start counting that nigga. Hey, boy, you smart. There you go. There you go, my brother. Fighting them emotions. You got it, Vaughn. I know. Listen, you a 3K. You just did another. Listen, boy. You got it. You got it. got it, my brother. I'm telling you. Nah, I don't do funded accounts, Galvin. Come on. Come on, man. You know simple math. Nigga from the hood knows simple math. I know how to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You say you did what? About 15 of them motherfuckers. Damn, boy. All right. You feel me? Come on. Now, how many times you gonna let me be right and you don't get in with me? Cause you see what I see, and I'm going live before it happened. You know what I'm saying? And boom, we doing it. I'm holding your hand. We walking straight through it, brother to brother. Like, come on, dog. What we doing? We getting money today away. And you're like, man, man, you right, man. Fuck that shit. Boom. And you put that money on there and you make a bag. You know what I'm saying? And you make a bag. Thank you, my brother. And you make a bag. I got a little McGriddle, y'all. So, before when the fuck my gang got a McGriddle. You know what I'm saying? You gonna change your life, boy. You gonna change your life, boy. Correct. 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 Man. There you go. There you go. We're trading SPY right now, and the video might be setting up as well. Seeing that pullback, look like that was probably new candle, red. We ate this candle up. We ate this candle up. Let's go eat this one up. Come on, Vaughn. Come on, Vaughn. I could have got another entry right now and took it back down here. Come on, Vaughn. But look at it. Come on. Come on. But again, you win the trade. Don't go back and go get greedy. That's being greedy. Like you're not appreciative to what the market gave you. If you're not gonna be appreciative, guess what? The market will take that shit right back from you and be like, stinking ass. So you know what I'm saying? That's why I ain't getting back in. It's over with. I'm helping the next. Um, it's a mind frame I'm trying to get to, right? Less is best. When the setup perform itself here, yeah, you can get back in. So let me tell you something. Let me show you a get back in. All right. This line, this was my get in. You get what I'm saying? So if I'm in from here, I could hold it better. But if I ain't in here, my ratio is a little bit down less. You get what I'm saying? So I need a better setup. My next setup is finish really finding the bottom. Because we don't know if you found the bottom yet. We thought you found the bottom right here. You ran up, scared the nigga. Guess what? Let me show you something. Let me go 15. Look at it. Now look at it 15. We still bearish. We need to go ahead and get down here. This is where we're gonna find the real bottom at. You get what I'm saying? Look, this is where we're gonna find the real bottom at. We're gonna look what it did. It did the same thing right here. Scared you until you got that. Look at this, the same thing. Boo. But eventually you came back down here and seen it shouted before you really reversed. This is a reversal. That's a reversal. You get what I'm saying? So you got to be patient. Look at these long wicks. Scared you. Guess what? Same thing. Same exact motherfucking thing. Same thing. Is it not? Am I blind or am I tripping? You recognize these patterns. Look at it. And we called it out early. Shoulder, head, shoulder was forming. Did not a shoulder continue to form? Yep, you can see it better on the lower time frames. Go ahead. Take it out from here. Boom. Mm-mm. I'm through. I'm through trading everything. I'm just helping these folks out. We're finna look. We going down. I like the bigger time frame of 15 minute because it help you stay in. Now, if this candle was to turn green and bust through, then you know it's reversal coming. We coming to here. We got to break through that for a 50 reversal. All right. We pushing down here, man, for get us a real good deal reversal. Not saying that it cannot happen in reverse right here, but the probability we going down here, we're gonna hit this and then get a good reversal and then boom. But you know, 1 minute left in his that's an indecisive candle. Jesus Christ. I try to do one good trade.
What's your right now? 663.
I try to do one good trade. I'll tell you, I'll
The
take
high
two.
what? 664 what?
The high,
Yeah.
the swing high for the day.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, Marlon. Right there. 664, 62. I'm a scalper, baby. In and out, baby. I'm a dough swinger, dough catcher, dough hill. Oh yeah. No, I probably just gotta turn it up. Yeah. So close. They playing. They playing with a nigga life. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I get on the iPad if I had one. I need to get one. It's just like a computer. You could chart it anywhere that you got internet, baby girl. You got two phones. You can look at that motherfucker on your phone and get in on your other phone. You get what I'm saying? As long as you got internet. As long as you got internet, you can get you some money. It's just why I love my iPad. Didn't you feel me? You set that iPad up. They got a little keyboard with it and everything. Set it up sideways, and you in there. Swim well. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to get to that bag on an iPad, an Android, a tablet. Yeah, I'll show you to set your phone up to your TV screen and man, mm, I'm straight out of Atlanta. I'm not from Atlanta. You got scared, Vaughn. You got scared on emotions. I know. I know. You're gonna eat if you can get a big drop in these 15 minutes. If you get a big drop, that's when you're gonna eat at. And I believe it's coming. I believe it's coming. Uh-oh. 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 Vaughn. I believe it coming, Vaughn. I believe it's coming, Vaughn. That big get butt naked real quick. That big get butt naked real quick for you. Oh my God. Come on. I Red app. I'm gonna stop streaming on the Red app. I'll see y'all tomorrow, Red app. Y'all know what's going on, man. Trey House. Y'all understand what's going on, man. Get in or get out and stay on the sideline.